Cuddle in, kids. A Unicorn Named Sparkle by Amy Young. The ad said, "Unicorn, 25 cents." Lucy sent in the money. She could hardly wait. "I will name him Sparkle. He will be blue with a pink tail and a pink mane." A whole day passed. "I will put flowers around his neck. He will let me ride on his back." Another day passed. "I will take him to show and tell. Everyone will love him." "He might be scared when he first gets here. I will give him a cupcake." Finally, a big truck rumbled up. It was the Unicorn Man. He left a large box on the porch. "It's Sparkle!" Lucy opened the box carefully, gently. Chomp! The cupcake was gone. Lucy put a flower necklace on him. He ate it. She put a tutu on him. He ate that too. He did not want to be ridden. He bucked her right off. He did not want to go to show and tell. The next morning, Lucy watched Sparkle play in the yard. He liked the butterflies, and they liked him. She had to admit, sometimes he made her smile, and sometimes he made her laugh. Kitchen craft. Let's make Sparkle, the magical goat-a-corn, some cupcakes. First, we'll need to mix the batter. We'll need pink, yellow, blue, and purple. Carefully scoop the purple batter into the cupcake pan. Now the blue, the yellow, and finally the pink. Have your parents bake the cupcakes. Now let's decorate. Have fun. I'm going to start with white frosting. Now a bit of pink frosting. Now lots and lots of sprinkles for Sparkle. Let's see what our friend Sparkle, the unigoat, thinks of our cupcake. Yum! Yum, 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 yum. That's a good cupcake. Let's see what our unicorn cupcake looks like on the inside. Wow, look at all those colors. Delicious. Cuddle in, kids.